Hello and welcome. Today we are diving into a simple yet powerful natural remedy that has been used for centuries: castor oil. You may have seen its thick golden texture or heard stories about its many benefits, but few truly understand just how versatile this oil is. From hair growth to healing skin, relieving constipation to supporting overall wellness, castor oil is truly a hidden gem. So, let's explore its origins, its powerful benefits, and the many ways you can use it in your daily life. Castor oil is extracted from the seeds of the castor plant. It's been used for thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians were among the first to use it for medical and beauty purposes. The oil is rich in a unique fatty acid that gives castor oil its incredible healing properties. Unlike many other oils, castor oil is thick, sticky, and highly concentrated. This makes it perfect for targeted treatments, and just a small amount can go a long way. Traditionally, it's been used for both internally and externally, but nowadays, most people use it topically on their hair, skin, and body. One of the most popular uses of castor oil is for hair growth and strengthening. The acid in the castor oil helps increase blood circulation to the scalp, which nourishes hair follicles and encourages new growth. It's also a natural moisturizer, sealing moisture into the hair shaft and preventing dryness and breakage. It promotes thicker, stronger hair when used regularly, helps reduce dandruff due to its antifungal and antibacterial properties, can repair split ends, and add beautiful natural shine. You can warm a small amount of castor oil, massage it into the scalp, and leave it for like 30 minutes or overnight. Then wash it out with mild shampoo. You can also mix it with lighter oils like coconut oil or olive oil for easier application. Castor oil is also a skin-loving powerhouse. Its thick consistency locks in moisture, making it excellent for people with dry or irritated skin. Deep hydration, it penetrates deeply to keep your skin soft and supple. It fights acne and inflammation thanks to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. It helps in fading scars and blemishes. Regular use of this oil may help improve the appearance of stretch marks, scars, or even uneven skin tone. It helps in soothing sunburns and irritated skin. Its calming properties make it a gentle remedy for sensitive areas. Castor oil isn't just for beauty. It's also famous for its internal healing properties. Traditionally, it's been used as a natural laxative to relieve occasional constipation. The acids in it stimulate the intestines and help things to move along gently. It's been used in detoxifying packs. Warm castor oil applied on a cloth over the abdomen can help stimulate the liver, improve circulation, and promote relaxation. Consuming castor oil internally should be done with caution and ideally under the guidance of a health professional, especially for pregnant women or people with certain medical conditions. It can also help in reducing joint pain when massaged onto sore muscles and joints, and also helps with relieving menstrual cramp pain. Interestingly, castor oil also has a place in the household. It can be used to lubricate squeaky hinges naturally, preserve leather goods and keep them soft. Condition wooden furniture by giving it a natural shine. Act as a base for DIY soaps, balms, and ointments. Because it's all natural, it's a great alternative to synthetic chemical-based products. Before you rush to use castor oil, here are a few tips. Always do a patch test on your skin to check for sensitivity. Use cold pressed castor oil for best quality. And if applying to hair, mix with a lighter oil to make spreading easier. A little goes a long way. Don't overuse it. And remember, natural remedies take time. Consistency is key for visible results. Castor oil is more than just an old-fashioned remedy. It's versatile, affordable, and a powerful natural product with a wide range of benefits for your hair, skin, and overall well-being. Whether you're using it for beauty, health, or even household hacks, it's truly nature's secret. Thank you for listening, and I hope this inspires you to make castor oil part of your daily routine.